Good everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to evaluate this definite integral as x goes from 0 to 1 of the natural logarithm of x dx. So I'm going to show you the method which is called the DUIS method. So that is differentiation under the integral sign. Now I'm going to start like this. I is equal to integral from 0 to 1 the natural logarithm of s dx. So before we continue, we're going to note the following. Note that the derivative with respect to x of n raised to power s is equal to the natural logarithm of n times n raised to power x. So we can easily say that natural logarithm of n is equal to the derivative with respect to x of n raised to the power s at x equal to 0. So now from here, from this place, if you put x to be 0, you will have n raised to the power 0, which is 1. Then 1 times the natural logarithm of n remains the natural logarithm of n. So we're going to use this idea. So we have I equal to integral as s goes from 0 to 1. So this is the partial derivative with respect to a here. So now we have x raised to the power a dx and at a equal to 0. So this is the partial derivative here. If you differentiate with respect to a here, you are going to have natural logarithm of x times x raised to the power a, and at a equal to 0 gives us this back. So now this is equal to, the derivative with respect to the partial derivative with respect to x. Now from here, to integrate this, so we have x raised to the power a plus 1 over the new exponent a plus 1, and x is going from 0 to 1. So remember, a is equal to 0. So now what do we have next? We have this I equal to, now the partial derivative with respect to a, then open bracket, put x as 1 here. So we have 1 raised to the power a plus 1 over a plus 1 minus 0 raised to the power a plus 1 over a plus 1. So a is equal to 0, and this is equal to the partial derivative with respect to a of, this is 0 here, and 1 raised to the power a plus 1 is 1 all over, then a plus 1 at a equal to 0. Okay, now we have I equal to, to differentiate this, we have it as negative 1 all over 1 plus a raised to the power 2, and at a equal to 0. So we have minus 1 all over 1 plus 0 raised to the power 2, and this is equal to minus 1. So the right answer to the question is minus 1. Thank you for viewing, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.